From the Valley of the Kings, we traveled to Karnak in Luxor. And this is where we spent time in the Sekhmet temple. The Sekhmet temple is built with rose granite. I began to value rose granite while I was there because there's so many black magic spells that are put on these temples, probably layering upon layering for protection, but it was really hard for me to step into some of these places. I immediately wanted to vomit, and so I had to turn back out, come out of the Sekhmet temple, and stabilize my body, stabilize my energy field. And I was guided by spirit to drape myself over this large, it's like a box in a way, of rose granite. I come to find out the ancient Egyptians built their stargates with rose granite. There's so many properties to it, and it is very grounding, and it's protecting. And I think it's fascinating too. It's full of quartz crystal, so it amplifies. Think about a temple being built that can ground in galactic energy, a stargate with quartz crystal embedded in it as well. They knew what they were doing. And so I took advantage of that and really connected to the powerful frequency generator that is the Karnak Obelisk.
As we arrived at Karnak, Egypt, at 4 a.m, you could see the Milky Way above. There were the Pleiades, 7 stars. It was a glorious sight with these pillars just rising above us. And there in the distance is the Karnak Obelisk. We're stepping into the Sekhmet temple and doing ceremony. But I mentioned the granite and just draping myself over the granite and taking that energy inside me for grounding and for protection. We're here at Karnak in this majestic passageway. These ancient pillars that lead right up to the Karnak Obelisk, which operates like a frequency generator. It's like a needle. Look at that. And the power in it, it goes down into the crystalline grid and then up, receiving all that plasma energy coming in from the galactic infusion of the X flares and M flares. Every time I go near these obelisks, I immediately start vibrating. So enjoy. Karnak Obelisk, like a lightning rod.